Hi, let's look at 5 ways to make money on Facebook. Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms which has over 3.9 billion active users every month. So if you're on Facebook, there are opportunities that you need to also grab to start earning from the Facebook. One may ask, what are the things that I need to do on Facebook and start earning? That's why this video is for you. So make sure you pay good attention to this video. Watch from step 1 up to the last step and start earning from Facebook. So I will show you 5 ways to start earning from your Facebook. Let's jump into the video. Hi, my name is Seth. I make video on how to make money online, grow your business and start online. So if you're interested in such content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If I have any question, put it in the comment section. I'll come in and answer you. The first way to earn from Facebook is content creating. Facebook has allowed some African countries to start earning from their content on Facebook, and through that you can start earning from a lot of aspects like in-stream ads, sponsors, bonus and stars. Someone may ask, what are some of the content that Facebook will monitor? Facebook will monitor videos, images and articles. If you post any articles or videos that are following their requirement or their policies, you can start earning from that one. So on that note, you can earn from other people's video. That's why we call reaction video. I have video on how you can react to someone's video and post it on Facebook and make money from it. So the next one is selling product. You can sell physical product and digital product on your Facebook page or your Facebook profile and start earning from it. When you talk of physical product, there are products that you can see and touch, and the digital one, you will see it on a digital forms that can be a PDF, ebooks, any other styles that you can give to people or sell to other people and earn from it. And we talk of physical product, that one I know we already know physical product. That one you can feel and touch, and have a website or platform that you can go in and find those physical product and sales in Ghana and earn from it. That's what Jumia GeForce. You go in, find any product that you are interested in and come in and post it in your wall. When someone buy those products, Jumia give you a commission on what you have done on it. So I have a video on how you can do that one. You can check it in the description section. The other one is Facebook page managing. We have a lot of companies, a lot of brands that are looking for people to help them handle their social media platform for them, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok and stuff. So if you are someone who is good in social media account managing, you can start and go into Facebook and start cashing out from it. So one of the easier way is what managing other people content. Then number 4 is Facebook ads creation. If you are someone who has master or know how to create ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google and stuff, you can earn from Facebook. You go into Facebook, learn how to create ads. If you want to know how to do that, I have a video, you can check it out and know how to create ads, generate traffic to people, creating leads, giving them engagement and stuff. You can go in, find those people on Fiverr, Upwork and stuff, and creating those ads for them and earn from it. You can do all these stuff through your mobile phone. So that's all the other way. The last part is what affiliate marketing. We have a lot of affiliate, and when we talk of affiliate marketing, meaning promoting other people's stores, generate sales for them, and you earn a commission on any links or any clicks that you find. A successful clicks means someone click on your link and buy that product, then they pay you a commission on what you have done, or it can be a subscription. So when we talk of affiliate marketing, promoting other people content for others to see, and when you follow the link and buy from you, then you earn a commission from it. So these are the 5 ways that if you are now in this digital era using Facebook and stuff, you can start earning from your Facebook account. The first one is what content creating content. The second one, selling product, that's physical or digital product. The next one is page management, managing other people Facebook page. And the fourth one is creating ads for people. And the last one is affiliate marketing, marketing other affiliate links and stuff and earn from your Facebook page. Thank you for watching that video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this video and like this video. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I'll come in and answer you. See you in the next video.